5 countries with the most earthquakes. Japan. Located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, Japan experiences frequent seismic activity. Indonesia. As an archipelago situated on multiple tectonic plates, Indonesia faces a high risk of earthquakes. Iran. Positioned on the collision zone of the Arabian and Eurasian plates, Iran encounters significant seismic events. Turkey. Straddling the boundary between the Eurasian and African plates, Turkey is prone to earthquakes. Mexico. Positioned on the Pacific Ring of Fire, Mexico witnesses frequent seismic activity, particularly along its western coast. What do you think?